Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a 500g fountain called Hollering Hippos by Smokin' Alien. We got this from Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. This is a really heavy fountain. So let's see if we can find performance. Screaming whistles, white showers with lime green stars, red stars, yellow stars, and blue stars. Crackling crisp with gold showers to white glitter stars. Check that out. I'm not sure the duration of this. I will be putting that in the description. But this is a pretty heavy fountain. I'm very excited to shoot it off. We got this at Intergalactic in Langhorne, PA. Remember, if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell button. Thank you. Hollering Hippos.